Hi guys, sorry, I forgot to answer part of the question for number 14 through 18. Sorry, I'm going back. If I was taking a test, I would have gotten points deducted here. Sorry. It says state the domain and range, and I forgot to do that part. So let's just go back. Right here. I have recreated the sketches that I had previously for each of the questions, starting with number 14 here. So number 14, what's the domain and range? Let's see, what color should we use? Let's do everything in green. So the domain is, well, there's an invisible asymptote right here at x equal to 0. So that's from 0 onwards to infinity. And the range for this one, it's just the standard, right? Nothing got shifted or anything. It's just a standard log function. So range from negative infinity to positive infinity. Okay, on to number 15. So domain again. And this is also standard log function, right? Negative infinity to positive infinity. Just so happens that your base is a fraction, but all that does is make it decreasing. You still have the same domain and range. I just wrote the wrong thing, sorry. Domain should be 0 to infinity, and the range is the one that's negative infinity to positive infinity. Okay, number 16. Here the domain. If you look at number 16, our graph was shifted one to the right, yeah? So that makes our domain also one to the right, from 1 to infinity. Note for all of these that we have the soft brackets because we never reached that asymptote. And then the range is negative infinity, positive infinity still. That has not changed. You're going to see with all these, actually, the range is negative infinity, positive infinity. Okay, number 17, domain. That would be, this is a shift 2 to the left. So that's from negative to positive infinity. And then the range. So notice in the range, I did shift the graph down by 1, but I'm going all the way down to negative infinity anyway, and all the way up to positive infinity. So that still doesn't change. Negative infinity to positive infinity still. And then the last one, number 18. So this one, you had a shift by 4 to the left, 5 up. But again, the shift up doesn't change anything. The shift left changes the domain. So instead of being from 1, 2, 3, yeah, 0 to infinity, now it's going to be negative 4 to infinity. And that matches up with this shift by 4 to the left, right? And then the range, still the same, negative infinity to positive infinity. And that shift by 5 up, again, doesn't matter because you're going to go up as high as you want anyway and down as low as you want anyway. So there it goes. So it turns out for all of these questions, you have a range, negative infinity to positive infinity. Now, what would have changed the range? What could have possibly changed the range? Well, log, if the log is a fraction, it's a number that's bigger than 1, we know it's increasing the whole time forever, right? It's going to go up as high as you want, even though it takes a while to get there. It's always going towards infinity and always going down, approaching that asymptote on the left side, so negative infinity. Or if it's or if you have a negative in the front, it's the same thing but in reverse, right? Where you're going up towards infinity as you go to the left, and then down towards negative infinity as you go to the right. So you pretty much get everything. The only time where you'd not is if you have something like we had before, where you have maybe like something like this, where you have some restriction that fundamentally alters the shape of your graph, or something like absolute value of x, maybe. That would be one case, because that graph looks a little bit different. It's instead of looking like the normal log graph, it looks something like this. So anyway, that was not really part of the question. For these normal type of log questions, it's negative infinity to positive infinity.